Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start the update now. First, make sure your earbuds are charged above 50% and your phone has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Open the Bose Music app and sign in if prompted. The app discovers devices and delivers firmware. Once done, keep the earbuds within a foot of your phone and confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled for a stable connection. Tap the earbuds entry in the app to proceed. The app will check for available firmware and show an update prompt. Now tap Update and accept any app permissions. This lets the firmware transfer and install. The app will download the package over Wi-Fi and then send it via Bluetooth. This two-step process is why both radios are needed. Make sure you don't close the app, switch Bluetooth devices, or move the earbuds more than about 3 feet away because interruptions can corrupt the install. Monitor the progress bar and wait patiently. Most updates take between 5 and 15 minutes, depending on size and connection speed. Once the install finishes, the earbuds will often reboot automatically. Make sure the app shows the new firmware version to confirm success. If the update fails, first restart the earbuds and your phone, then retry the update. Temporary Bluetooth glitches are the usual cause. If it still fails repeatedly, perform a factory reset on the earbuds and attempt the update again, but be aware this clears saved settings. If problems persist, contact Bose support with the error code shown in the app for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.